Kasin Dominic Higher Secondary School Mawkyndeng kala Rakhe Kmen ya Sngi Kha ka baar spak khandai Jong Don Bosco Bakhuid Nongseng ya Seng Riewniam Salasian of Don Bosco SDB haka khan riu tarik Nailar. Ka jinglehkmen kala sdang naduh Khubor step da ka jingduwai bala ialam da ka Rev Sister Merciful Nongsien baru Brother Rius Nongdhar bala shim bynta da baroh ki khynnah Jong ka Skul. Ka phang pdeng Jong ka jinglehkmen ka long halor ki jingyoi pau Dream of Don Bosco Jong uni uriu krau. Hakani ka Sngikha ladon rengkat Rev Phadar Henrie Warbah, Phadar Richard Louis Rapthap, Principal, ki sports organizers, ki Nonghikai, bat ki khynnah Skul. Rev Phadar Richard Louis Rapthap ula ai ka Khubor Bashirhem ban sa kan mau hakani ka Sngi Kha Jong Don Bosco. Hadin ki program balengkot la penlong ya ka basketball tournament, ka bala shim bynta da baroh ki house Jong ka Skul kan thei bat chenrang. Haka jinglekai final ka Yellow House Girls kala ra ya ka jingjob haka basketball bat tunnel ball kat bana kalyang ki shenrang la ra ya ka jingjob da ka Blue House haka basketball. Ya ki kunhun ki bala job la sa me ki busket la penwa ya ka ni ka jingrakhi Sngi Kha Jong Don Bosco Bakhuid da ka jingduwai aingo na ka Rev Sister Merciful Nongsien.
Ya. Go. Ki sab
from a humble beginnings, knowing all the reality, know the destiny that awaits me. Some of mine just our faith, though sense for truth I lose my ways. With this passing day in hands, frustrates my destiny, holding me back. You showed me, though I know not how it will be. The sin from my heart with fear, but then you wolf into a lamb. How could I know how to see the true sin of their reality? You consume my heart and my misery to a forgiving.